Hello friend, in the last video we have discussed the short forms generally used in the organizations, and in this video we will complete the remaining short form generally used in the organizations. Okay, so if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updated videos from Mechanical Design Adda. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so ETA. Okay, so this term, estimated time for arrival, so this term is used in the organization. This short form is there. ETA means estimated time for arrival. So it is used to give an approximate time when something is expected to be happen or arrive. Okay, so at that time we use the ETA term. Then this term is repeatedly we are using this term as ASAP. Okay, ASAP, or generally some people say ASAP, or some people say ASAP. Okay, so this one is called as soon as possible. Okay, so repeatedly we are using, number of times we are using this term. Okay, so this term is used to indicate that something required urgent attentions or need to be completed quickly. So at that time we use ASAP. Then for your information, for your reference, we use this shortcut FYI and FYR. Okay, so this one is also we are using repeatedly while communicating with communicating over the mail or communicating over the Teams or different format. So at that time we use these common terms. Okay, then EOD, so the end of day. Okay, means this one is used to set the deadline, indicating that something need to be completed by close of business hour. Okay, so suppose someone is saying that end of the day I need the these updates. Okay, so at that time he used the shortcut EOD. Okay, end of the date I require. Okay, then COB means close of business. Okay, so it is a similar term like end of the day. Okay, so it means it is a end of business hour on a given day. Okay, then UX and UI means UX means user experience and UI means user interface. Then M&A means merger and acquisition. Okay, so M&A means merger and acquisition. So the aspect of strategic management, corporate or finance management means dealing with the buying. Okay, selling, dividing, combining of the different company and similar entity. Okay, so this term is used M&I, merger and acquisition. So at that, suppose two company are merging. Okay, or two company are working on the same project, means the two company are trying to work on the same project. So they are forming one union, means one company with the help of two organizations. So at that time M&A, this short form is used. Okay, then IPO. Okay, so it is nothing but the initial public offering. Okay, so this IPO is the process of offering the share for a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. So whenever company is entering into the stock market, so company offer the shares, okay, in the form of IPO. Okay, then WIP. So whenever you are working on any task, so there is a task status, that it is completed or in a process or it is released. Okay, like that. So WIP indicate the work is in process. Okay, then TCO means total cost of ownership. Then SLA means service level agreement. Then HR means human resource. Okay, so it is a division of business that is charged with the finding, screening, recruiting, training job applicant, as well as administering employee benefits program. Okay, so this human resource means HR team is there. So it is for the recruitment purpose, for screening purpose, or providing means scheduling the trainings, scheduling the fun activities like that. Okay, some administrative work. So it is a overall term use is a HR term use, and it means that human resource. Then ERP is nothing but the enterprise resource planning. Okay, then CRM means customer relationship management. Then MSR. Okay, so MSR is nothing but the monthly status report. Okay, so suppose you are working on the any task. Okay, so at the month end, so you need to capture all your details or all your work that you have performed in the particular month, and you need to share that task detail with your suppose manager or with the customer. So at that time, complete 1 month whatever your means completed in a 1 month. Okay, so your task detail you need to share with the in the form of MSR reports. Okay, it is nothing but the monthly status report. Then QC. So this QC generally it is a quality check. Okay, suppose you are working on any model. Okay, so you are the peer QC and there is a quality checker also. Okay, so QC is nothing but the quality check. So one particular person, or you can say the senior person, will check the your drawings or suppose your work. So that is nothing but the quality check, QC. Then VPN. So VPN is related with the connectivity or the internet connections. It is a virtual private network. VPN, virtual private network. Then VM is nothing but the virtual machine. Then OKR means objective and key result. Okay, so it is a framework for defining and tracking the objective and their outcome. So at that time, the shortcut we use is the OKR, means objective and key result. Then CTA means call to action. Okay, so this is also we use commonly, call to action, CTA. Then FTE means full time equivalent. Okay, full time equivalent. Then IoT means Internet of Things, IoT. Then CTC. Okay, so CTC is means commonly we are using when we are discussing about the salary. Okay, so CTC is nothing but the cost to company. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.